Hello everyone, so once again welcome back to my channel JBR online classes, and in this video I am going to start from sum number 6 of the exercise 4.1, that means determinant. For the previous part, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here find the value of x in sum number 1. So as here 3x 7, here minus 2 4, that one equal to 8 7 6 4. Okay, it's very easy problem. You have to just find out the value of x from this one. So first find out the determinant value. You know that, cross multiply. So 4 into 3x, it becomes 12x. Then here I have to minus, but as here minus 2, so it becomes plus, and 7 into it's 14. Here also 8 4, so it's 32 minus 42. Okay, is it clear? So from that you can write down 12x equal to, here right hand side minus 10 and then here minus 14, so it will be minus 24. That means here x equal to minus 2. It's very easy. Now the next one, as same as the next one, here the next one, sum number 6 2. Sum number 6 2, x3 2x5, that one equal to 2 3, and here 4 5. So again cross multiply, 5x minus 6x, that equal to 10 minus 12. Okay, so here minus x, and that equal to minus 2. So from that x equal to 2 as your answer. Now next one, sum number 7. So here in sum number 7 1, if x plus 1, here x minus 1, that one x minus 3, and it's x plus 2. Okay, and that one equal to 4 minus 1 1 3, 4 minus 1 1 3. Then find the value of x. Similar kind of problem, that means first you have to multiply x plus 1 into x plus 2, then minus x minus 1 into x minus 3, and that one equal to 12 plus 1, that equal to 13. Okay, so in the left hand side you have x square, that one 3x minus 2, it's minus x square, as well minus x minus 3, so minus 4, it will be plus 4x, and the last one will be minus 3. Okay, so now that equal to 13, x square cancel out, 4x plus 3x, that equal to 7x. Then here minus 2, here minus 3, minus 5. So 13 plus 5, that equal to what? So here minus, so it will be minus, sorry, that one will be plus 2. It's very sorry. So it will be minus 1. So now minus 1 plus 13, that becomes 14. So from that x equal to 2. Okay, now let's move on to sum number 8. Because sum number 7 to a similar kind of problem. So here in sum number 8, in sum number 8 1, here x belongs to natural number, and x plus 3 minus 2 minus 3x and 2x is the determinant, and the value equal to 8, it's given. Now you have to find out the value of x. Very easy problem, cross multiply, so it will be 2x square plus 6x, and here it will be 6x again. Okay, because 3x into 2 6x, so 6x cancel out, 2 cancel out it, so x square equal to 4, and from that x equal to 2. Okay, from that x equal to 2, or you can write down plus minus 2 as your answer. But as here x belongs to natural number, that means definitely x equal to 2. Okay, as x square equal to 4, that means x equal to plus minus 2, but as x belongs to natural number, that means the value of value of x will be in positive, so x equal to 2. Now let's move on to the next problem, sum number 8 3. So here in sum number 8 3, that is x 1 x. Okay, and here that equal to 3 4 1 2, 3 4 1 2. So now find the value of positive value. Okay, very good, you have to find out the positive value only. So x square minus x, that equal to 6 minus 4, that means 2. So here x square minus x and minus 2, that equal to 0. X square minus x minus 2, that equal to 0. So by middle term factorization method, it will be x minus 2 x plus 1, that equal to 0. So from that one, x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 1, but x is positive, so your answer will be x equal to 2. Now next one, sum number 9. So here in sum number 9, x belongs to I, that means integer. So here 2x, so here 2x, that one 3 minus 1 x, that equal to 3 1 x3, 3 1 x3. Now find the values of x. So find out the values. It will be 2x square and that one will be plus 3, because here 1 is in negative. 9 minus x, so that will be 2x square plus x and it will be minus 6. Okay, so 2x square plus x minus 6. Now you have to solve this quadratic equation by middle term factorization method, and you will get x plus 2 and then 2x minus 3, that equal to 0. So from that, x equal to minus 2 and x equal to plus 3 by 2. Okay, but here x belongs to integer, that means x equal to minus 2 only. Now the next one is sum number 10. In sum number 10, here a equal to 1 2 4 2, a equal to 1 2 4 2. Okay, and you have to show that 2a determinant, or means date, that equal to 4 date a. Okay, so that means first you have to find out 2a. So as here 2a equal to 2 4 8 4. Now date 2a, or so the value will be 4 2 is 8 and minus 8 4 is 32. So that equal to minus 24. Now here date a, value of date a equal to 2 minus 4 2 is 8, so it will be minus 6, and as here 4 date a, that means minus 6 into 4, so it will be also 24. So it's proved. That means in both case minus 24 is the answer. Now next, sum number 11. So in sum number 11, you have to find out or evaluate the determinants. So as here sum number 11 2, there are total 3 problems and all problems are similar kind of problem, you know that. So here 1 1 minus 2 and last one will be 2 3 1. Okay, so now you know that first you have to write down the upper one, as here this one equal to 3. So first write down 3 and then cross multiply, that means 1 into 1, so 1, then minus 3 into 2, it's minus 6, so it will be plus 6. Now next for this one, minus 4, as here minus, so it will be plus 4, because first one will be negative positive, second one negative, third one again positive, positive negative positive. Okay, so here 4. Now for that case, here the first line will be cancelled out, this one will be cancelled out. So here for 4, so 1 into 1 it becomes 1, and then 2 into minus 2 it becomes minus 4. Okay, so 1 into 1, that means 1, and 2 into minus 2 it's become minus 4, so it will be plus 4. Now the last one here 5. For 5, here you have to multiply 3 into 1 and 2 into 1, so 3 minus 2. So now your answer 7 3 21, here 5 4 20, and the last one 1, so it will be 5. Okay, so 21, that means here 6 and 4 4, so it becomes 46. So 46 it's your final answer. So in this way you can solve sum number 11, rest of 2 problems. So now let's move on to sum number here what? Sum number 12. So in sum number 12, as here 1 a b, okay, good, minus 1 1 c, and the last one minus b minus c and 1. So you have to prove that this one equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, this one equal to a square plus b square plus c square. So first you have to find out the value. So for the first case, as here 1, so here you have to multiply 1 and then it will be c square. Good. Next one will be negative, so here a and then minus a plus bc, minus a plus bc, and the last one will be here plus b and then here ac plus b. So now multiply 1 plus c square, it will be plus a square, and last one minus abc, here plus abc and then b square. Okay, so it's very easy, as you here abc in opposite sign, so cancel out. So your final answer will be 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, now let's move on to the last problem. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here sum number 13. In sum number 13, using cofactors element of second row, using cofactors element of second row, evaluate this one. So here first write down the determinant 3, 5, 3, 8, 2, 0, 1 and 1, 2, 3. So you have to using factors of element of second row, evaluate this one. So as here second row, so that means it is equal to, so first one will be here, the second row here, that one will be 2, remember that. Okay, and you have to write down this one, as here this one will be 1 1, it's 1 2, it's 1 3, this one 2 1, 2 2 and 2 3. Now as I told you that as here a 2 1, so 2 plus 1, it's a odd number, so for the odd number there will be a negative, always remember that. For the second one 2 2, it's a positive and even number, so it will be positive, and third one 2 plus 3, it's 5, that means again odd number, so it will be negative. So for the first one that one will be what, that one will be negative, and as here 2 will be here, so it will be minus 2, write down here. Okay, so then this portion will be cancel out, which one, this one and this one. So now 3 into 3, so 3 into 3 it becomes 9, or you can first write down here 3 8 2 3. Now the next one here 0, so it will be positive, and for 0 this portion will be cancel out, so it will be 5 8 1 3, and the last one it will be again negative, and for 8 this portion will be cancel out, sorry not 8, for the second row, extremely sorry for that, it's one for 1, so it will be minus 1, and for that one, so this portion will be cancel out, so it will be 5 3 1 2. Good. So now here minus 2, and this one 9 minus 16 is equal to 0, here minus 1, 10 minus 3, so that is equal to minus 2, here 9 minus 16 it becomes 14, and last one will be minus 7, so that is equal to 14 minus 7, so 7 is your answer.